couple years ago, I got burned out, and I see a lot of young people, the millennials, burn out nowadays too. And I think the millennial generation grew up in different circumstances than our parents, and that's why we have a lot of pressure. And that pressure causes us to feel quite insecure. If it's how we look maybe, or on the choices that we made, or the way we live, these insecurities can put ourselves down and cause a lot of energy and might cause a burnout.
We have really big high expectations. We are comparing each other every day. So we thought, how can we manage to have a conversation about social comparison, about the paradox of choice in real life with each other on a really fun way.
What I love about this show is a lot of high energy. It's a game show. Everybody does all these exercises and everybody challenges themselves. Once they step through the door, it's a bit uncomfortable already. We do some singing, we make them move, and we make them dance in different ways. This show is basically about facing our own fears and dare to fail.
You're gonna talk with each other. You're gonna play games in which you have to be vulnerable. You have to talk about your failures. You have to step out of your comfort zone.
To be honest, at the beginning, I was still like, oh, I don't want to be on a stage. But then when you get in the flow, you're like, you don't care. And at the end, you like dance with everybody. Maybe you still have those insecurities, but you care less. And I think if you care less, you will do more.
I thought it was great energy, really fast paced, but still enough space for some depth and some real emotions. I think it's a great way to put your worries and your problems in context and let it go for a night.
I had so much fun because that was the first time that I'm attending something like this. It was insane.
We learned so many things and basically just let the whole guard down of, feeling insecure, feeling bad about yourself, laying too much pressure in the things you find important. Just take some time to reflect on the everyday life that sometimes gets in the way of what you really, aim for.
So people after the show, I think, are more willing to step out of the comfort zone. They're more confident and they're much more open to reach out to their goals or the things they really find important.
I hope that they see the experience that they have, that they might see as failures in life, actually are lessons that they can take away further, that they are more confident about really choosing their own lives.
Fuck the need for making every day the best possible day can be.
Fuck expectations. Fuck makeup, fuck makeup.
Fuck it to taking a stand. Always need to have an opinion about things.
Fuck everyone else's opinion about me.